So the positive impact that we see our work having is that the Internet of Energy is about bringing 100% clean energy to everybody. And that is a pretty massive positive impact that we need to see happening in the world as soon as possible. By enabling people to have access to electricity, it changes people's lives entirely. It creates amazing opportunities for education, for healthcare, for prosperity, for families that are wanting to do the best for themselves and their children. And we firmly believe that by enabling the Internet of Energy, we can enable everyone in the world to have those opportunities and enable the developers to jump on board and develop their own apps for their own places, for their local communities that they see as important. Not just what we're doing at RedGrid, it's about creating something that everyone can dive into and really build something that's got value wherever they may be. So one of the biggest impacts that this project will have is that we don't have the luxury to wait another 50 years to figure out our energy system. We don't have the luxury to wait to figure out how to deal with climate change. We have 10 years to figure this out. We've got to do it right now. And that is not hyperbole, that's what the science tells us. And if we do not hit our net zero emissions as soon as possible, we'll be entering a world that is incredibly difficult to live in. Our partners here, who we're working with already, have an ambition to hit net zero by 2030, and that's where we think we need to be. Net zero emissions by 2030 gives us the best possible fighting chance to deal with climate change, and that's what the Internet of Energy is aiming to bring to everybody.